Alright, let's give this one a try, alright? 2 of diamonds. Let's do this. Let's see if this works. I learned this off of eBay. You know, the site that nobody trusted anymore. Okay, why is this so hard, right? Let's see. See if this works. So wait, hang on. Alright. So eBay said you just turn my cards like that and then bang. 2 of diamonds again. Alright. Try it. Let's try another one, right? Alright. Let's pick a different card. Let's pick this one maybe. Jack of spades. Yeah, that's right. Let's put that in the middle here. Completely done. And let's give it a snap. See if we can turn this card around. So I think every single card in this deck has turned now. Except for one. Well, look at that. One of the card didn't turn. Bang. Let's go. Yeah, that's about it, I think. Yeah. Thanks.